Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a fade-in audio on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the audio and a video that you wanted to edit, in here if you want to add a fade-in audio on a CapCut, so you just click on the audio first, click on it. And after this you can click on the audio again, and after this in here at the bottom you can click on the fade, click on it. And in here if you wanna add a fade in audio, it's so simple. So you just swipe this icon to left on or right like this. You can set the duration. In here I wanna try to add 2 seconds like this, and after this you can click on the check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add a fade-in audio on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.